Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a mid-month reminder about the current challenge going on here on my channel. This month's theme is to post a project using any kind of fruit, and it's any kind of project, and you do not have to mail it in. I will link the original video up above, but I will quickly go through the requirements and what the prizes are. You need to do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month, and this month it is fruit. Tag me at DoubleClickConnect, use the hashtag DoubleClickConnect challenge, leave a comment, and be a subscriber. The challenge is open all month long until the next challenge, and you can enter as many times as you would like. The prize is going to be a bag of mixed dewdrops, and I will draw a winner each month. The giveaway is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older, and the prize is for US only, but anyone is welcome to enter. If you don't post on YouTube, you can just follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash, meet new crafty friends, and have some fun using your supplies. I am still looking for a few guest designers. If you're interested, please email me. My email information is in my About Me page. This is the dewdrop release for April 2023, which is available in my Etsy shop, or you could send me a direct message on Instagram or send me an email. The whole set is $5. It's these 4 colors, and I always send a sample of other colored dewdrops in the orders. I decided to go ahead and make another project using fruit. I had a request for a birthday card, so I decided to make this cute cupcake using Create a Critter Cricut cartridge. I made the cupcake a little bit bigger than I wanted, but that's okay. It's super cute. But it had a cherry on top, which is adorable. I used brown dewdrop right here on the corner of the cupcake wrapper. I've also incorporated some liquid pearls. I used some glossy accents to make the cherry nice and shiny. And then I added this green dewdrop right at the stem. I love how it came out. It's so cute. I hope you guys will consider entering my challenge. I can't wait to see all of the projects. I've loved seeing what everyone has been creating. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.